Very good afternoon to all of the students. In this lecture of digital image processing, we will discuss the topic that is the low pass filters, the various types of low pass filter. In the previous lecture, we done the frequency domain, some of the concepts of the frequency domains like the frequency domain with purpose and the Fourier transformation concept, which is used to explain the concept of frequency domain. Filtering that is to be done in the frequency domain. So now we are going to discuss the low pass filter. The very first filter is the ideal low pass filter. It is one of the simplest filter out of the three filters. It cuts all the high frequency components of the Fourier transform that are at a distance greater than that a specific distance d naught from the origin of the transform. सो इट में कट ऑल द हाई फ्रिक्वेंसीज को क्या कर देता है जी, इग्नोर कर देता है टू फॉर्म अ फोरियर ट्रांसफॉर्म that are at a distance greater than a specific distance. Distance is to be measured as a d naught that is apart from the origin of the transform. It is also called a two-dimensional ideal low-pass filter, that is ILPF, and has a transformation function which is to be used, that is HUV. HUV is also represented as the filter function or the transformation function here. So it is equals to, it represents the one value if the distance vector from a coordinate u to b is less than or equal to the d naught value, which is the value of the Fourier transform apart from the origin, and it otherwise gives the zero value if opposite, like if the distance vector from u to b is greater than d naught. Here the d naught is a specified non-negative quantity. So the duv is the distance from the point u comma b to the center of the frequency rectangle. So if we see that any image of size m into n, number of rows into the column, then filter will also be the same size. So the center of the frequency rectangle, जो इमेज साइज है, फिल्टर साइज भी हमने सेम लेना है. तो फिल्टर साइज जो हम ले रहे हैं, द फिल्टर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन फंक्शन इज आइदर 1 और 0 डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द डिस्टेंस वेक्टर वैल्यू. सो its value will be the frequency rectangle u comma b is equals to, that is the filter function or the filter or the mask. We can say that the mask image of size m into n, and where u and b the coordinates are m divided by 2 comma n divided by 2. So because of the center transformation, clear. So therefore we can calculate the distance vector from u to b by u square plus b square whole under root, clear. So ILPF, that is the ideal low pass filter, which is not suitable for the practical use, but they can be implemented in any computer system. So the main concept of ideal low pass filter is it encompasses, or it may cuts all the high frequency components of the Fourier transformation, and we see the distance factor. By calculating the distance factor, we calculate the filter value, and the filter we take as same as size of the original image, that is m into n, and we can calculate the frequency rectangle, that is u comma b by m divided by 2 and n divided by 2. So because it's the central transformation, because we compare the transformation with respect to the center, so the distance vector is calculated by u square plus v square whole under root, clear. Next is the visualization of the low pass filter. Here we have the u and the v coordinates of the original image that are act as a filter value, and this is the filter that is at u comma b, or we can say that this is the mask or the result of the low ideal pass filter. So this can also be represented by this, the small icon. This part is represented this is the filtered part of any image. So if we talk about on the x-axis or the y-axis, here we have the u and v value. So the on the x-axis, on the u side, we have the distance values from d naught 1 2 3 4 5. So here there is the filtered value or the filter mask value, that is the at u comma v, which is either 1 or 0. Clear? Here the value represent as 1, which means that d naught is greater than or equal to 0. Clear? Here d value is greater than or equal to 0. 0 is the origin, so it is apart from the origin, so it is like represented like this. So this image is the actual image, whole image is the actual image. This part shows the filtered by the ideal low pass filter, and this is the actual result. So next type is the Butterworth low pass filter. It has a parameter called the filter order. For high frequency of filter order, it approaches the form of ideal filter, whereas for the low filter order values, it reaches the Gaussian filter. So it may be viewed as a transition between the two extremes. There is the two values from 1 to 2, and there is we compare the previous value with the next most. For example, we have the low pass filter ideal filter value output result, and we compare that result with the next low pass filter. So it may be viewed as a transition between the two extremes. The transformation function of a Butterworth low pass filter, that is represented by BLPF, of order n with cutoff the frequencies at a distance d naught from the origin, is defined by with the formula, that is at u comma b is the filter function which is to be used for the transformation, is equals to 1 divided by 1 plus the distance vector from u comma b divided by d naught value whole square and whole power 2 power n. Clear? So most appropriate value of n is 2. Here we put the n value is 2. 2 into 2 is 4. So the power 4. It does not have sharp discontinuity unlike the ideal low pass filter that establish a clear cutoff past between the past and the filter frequency. Defining a cutoff frequency is a main concern in these filters. So this filter gives a smooth transition in blurring as a function of increasing cutoff frequency. See, we have the main motive to enhance the image, and here the smoothing process is to be done. In the smoothing case, we focus on the blurriness of the image. So by cutoff the frequency, we have to smooth the image by the transition function. So by increasing the cutoff frequency, if we increase the cutoff frequency, the image is more and more blurred. So a Butterworth filter of order 1 has no ringing. So ringing increases as a function of a filter order. High order leads to the negative value. Here we have the visualization of the Butterworth low peak frequency filter. So we have the values like this. This is the filter function which is used for any image. Here we see that the high frequencies are cut off, and here we have, if the more and more the high frequencies are to be cut off, more and more image is to be blurred. Clear? Here the image is to be part is to be blurred. So here we see that we have the values. Here we have the distance vector that is away from the region, which means that the d naught value is greater than or equal to 0. Clear? So we have here we have the filter function value, that is 1. We have the different number of values if we have the different d naught values. Clear? If we have n value is 1, then the result is like this. N is equal to 2, 3, 4. So the most appropriate result while representing n equals to 2. So this is the most appropriate result. Clear? Next we have the Gaussian low pass filter.